There are new ways to pay your fare at the MBTA. Riders are now able to pay using their contactless credit or debit card, phone, or watch. Contactless readers are available on buses, Green Line and Mattapan Line trolleys, and at all gated subway stations. Just tap and ride. Cash and Charlie cards are still accepted. Just make sure to tap the correct reader. Stay tuned for more new features as we continue to improve our fare system. Produced by Customer and Employee Experience.